Question 15, we've got an object falling, and this is a plot of its distance as it falls, plotted against time in seconds. And we're asked to find an estimate for the gradient of the graph at t is equal to 3, which is here. So what we've got to do is offer up a line, a tangent to that point as best we can with a ruler, and then work out the rise and the run, the gradient of that line. So we've just got to pick two convenient points on this line. Let's pick that one at 6 and that one there at 2. So the gradient is equal to the rise. So this looks like a value of 110, and this looks like a value of 10, 20. So the gradient is equal to 110, take away 20, divided by 6, take away 2. So this is equal to 90 over 4, which is equal to, I should more properly write that as approximately equal to, because we are only taking readings off a graph. But my estimate for the gradient is 22.5, and this will be meters per second. And that should be your answer.